How do I replace the fuses on the Luminex 200 instrument?
Let's take a look at the procedure for removing and replacing the fuses on the Luminex 200. This process is only required if the fuse is tripped.
Why should I replace the fuses?
Fuses are in place to protect the instrument from power surges. This keeps the instrument from being damaged and/or becoming dangerous for operators. These parts are intentionally made to fail, so periodic replacement may be necessary. Replacement fuses can be purchased from Luminex.
Here's how to replace the fuses on the Luminex 200.
Turn off the Luminex 200 instrument and unplug the power cord. Unplug the power cable from the instrument. Use a small, flat blade screwdriver to open the module door located on the back of the instrument. The door opens downward. Locate the red cartridge behind the door. Use the screwdriver to remove the red cartridge. Check both the fuses in the cartridge for damage. A fuse can display physical evidence of damage, for example, a broken wire or blackened glass. If it displays no physical evidence, test it for continuity with the ohm function of a voltmeter. Replace damaged fuses. Replace the red cartridge. Shut the module door. Plug in the power cord and turn on the Luminex 200 instrument.
And finally, remember,
periodically replacing the fuses on the Luminex 200 instrument may be required. The fuses keep the user and equipment safe from issues caused from overcurrent.